Hey, this is Peter, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to create high quality social content for your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube shorts, and literally have that content ready while you drink your morning coffee, have that posted on your social media sites so that you can generate more leads and more customers for your business. And the best part is none of this requires complicated setups or configurations or learning complicated AI tools. Instead, we are going to be using the free app that you can download via the link in the description. And if you do that right now, you can literally follow along and see exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and you can do the same so that by the end of this video, you have the short form content ready for today. So without any further kind of introduction, let's just go right into it, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. So as you can see right now, I'm inside of the GenX Pro app, and here is the daily short workflow. You'll find this right here. So when you expand this sidebar, you'll find all of these kind of features like daily shorts and pod shorts, text workstation and voice workstation and avatar workstation. You'll find all of these, and then you will also find this daily short workflow. And this is a very powerful system, very powerful workflow that can create lots of content in a very short space of time. So let me demonstrate everything to you step by step. Now, the daily short workflow starts with the voiceover, and in order to get the voiceover, the best place to go is to the voice studio. Go to the use voice, and you can either search for the voice here, or you can select some of your favorites that you have used before. So I have kind of saved a bunch of favorites here, and I can, preview them, or I can use them. So let's click use this voice. So this is Chuck Miller, deep, raspy American voice. That's what we are going to be using. And now we have to create the script. So we can either enter the script manually writing it, or we can choose the script that we have generated before. So let's just check some of the scripts we have. Here is something, stop chasing yesterday's opportunity. Sounds like a good one. Let's just select the script. So here's a brutal truth about entrepreneurs to refuse to hear, blah, blah, blah. So this is some kind of script. I'm not looking at the script itself right now. I just want to show you how the daily short workflow works. In one of the previous videos on our YouTube channel, I showed you how to get viral ideas. So I highly recommend to watch that video, because you can use what you learned in that video exactly and combine it with what you are learning right here, right now. So now what we want to do, we want to create audio. So let's just schedule for the audio. This will take maybe a minute or so to generate the voiceover. And once the voiceover will be done, it will be available right here under all the voiceovers that we have right here displayed. So let's just wait for a little bit to finish this job. And while we are waiting, I just want to show you that there is a lot of things inside of the GenX Pro that you can use. You can generate images, videos, voice, audio. You can see your recent conversations. You can create avatars. So we have Avatar Studio as well. So Voice Studio, which you have seen probably before, and Text Studio with all the options as well. And as you can see, the job has been completed. So we can see the voice right here. So here is the 46-second voiceover. I'm not going to play it right now. It's automatically saved. So what we can do, we can go to the daily shorts. We can select the voiceover. So this is probably going to be the one. Let me just play it. Yep, that's the one. So let me select that. And as you can see, we have the script loaded right here. Now with this voiceover and script selected, the next step we need to take here is select the caption style. So we can either select this one or any other one. We have over 20 different caption styles to choose from. So you can just look at your preferences, look at how you can customize it. So for example, you can put that at the bottom, you can put that center. So whatever you want is absolutely fine. Click apply, and now you have saved that as well. And now we are getting to the third step for the daily shorts. And this third step is where you choose the generation mode. So here there are three options. There is video only, images plus video, or my scenes. Now, all of these three options are in some way different. And what I want to cover right now is kind of the video only and image plus video, because for the My Scenes, I'm going to record a separate tutorial here on the YouTube so you can see exactly how to use it to get the absolutely best outcome possible. Because this feature inside of the My Scenes is incredibly powerful. You can literally create any type of short form content using it in no time at all, and you can make it precise. So in this case, we are going to be using video only. And so here are a couple of things you need to do. You need to select the video model that you want to use for this generation. So I'm going to use Kling version 2.6 Pro. So that's going to be my primary model here. Then I'm going to select the fallback model. So let's say if something doesn't work, I can select a different model, and different model can execute the task. So let's say some of the generations fail for whatever reason, we can then make it as a fallback model so that entire flow doesn't fail. And then we have the scene planner where we can select any of the text models available in the GenX Pro. As you can see, we have all the latest ones, including Grok 4.3, which is the latest at the time when I'm recording this video, GPT 5.5, and obviously Opus 4.7 as well. Those are the kind of the latest models. What we are going to be selecting is Claude Sonnet. I have found that this is one of the best for the scene planning. And now we literally have everything selected. As you can see, we have all these green check marks right here, and we can create the master short. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to schedule the master short creation for this particular video. So what's going to happen behind the scenes? It's going to take the voiceover, it's going to take the script, it's going to build the scene plan, and then it's going to schedule the scene generation with the selected model that we choose. And then when it all is done, which takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the video models you selected, then it will all come back and you'll be able to see the outcome. The best part is that while you wait for all of this, you can schedule another one. So you can select another one script, or you can create new scripts or anything and just start the generation again and again and again. So there is no limits of what you can do. You can literally schedule content and create content for entire week or entire month in a single sitting and get everything done so you have the content ready and you can schedule it. Now, while we are waiting for this job to complete, as you can see, it's generating scenes and it's in the middle of the process. I want to show you something truly powerful, which is called the Use Master Daily Short Workflow. And what that is that you can select some of the recent master videos that you have generated. So for example, I generated this video before, so I can select this video, right? And it's automatically going to, and I can select the voiceover as well if I wish, right? So the same voiceover or different voiceover, right? So I need to check which one it is. So I think this is the one. Yep, this is the one. So I can select it. And the reason why you need to select a voiceover is because the Use Masters workflow is designed to create voiceovers and shorts in different languages. So you can have a daily short that you post in English, but you can also create the same short using the same visuals in a different language. Or you can use the same short, so the same visuals, and apply a different caption style. So for example, let's say previously you used UGC Vibe captions. So now you can select something completely different. For example, these ones, right? And so you can select this style, and now you can start the production of the replica of that initial video. And this is very powerful because it saves a lot of money from the generation point of view. So you don't have to regenerate the assets, but instead you can use the assets you published before. Let's say 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, and just apply a different style to the same assets and post them again. And this is what the top influencers are doing. They're repurposing the same content over and over again. And with this feature built right into the GenX Pro, you can do the same. So you can literally start the production of this replica. It's going to create the replica of this particular style, and you'll see it coming back. And also, as you can see, the video is already assembling. So our master short is going to be ready in just few seconds, as you see right now. So it took maybe 4 minutes in total for the generation. And as you can see, the assembling of the replica is also happening very, very quickly. So I'm showing you kind of two things at the same time. Now, let's look at the master short right here. So this is the master short that's created. So it's 46 seconds long. Let me disable the audio so you can see all the captions are working and baked right into it. It switches from different scenes right there automatically. So as you can see how the scenes are kind of building up and they are going along with the context that is spoken into that voiceover, so into the script. And you can see all of this kind of changing and so on and so forth, right? So this is very powerful stuff. So you have this ready right out of the gate. And now, as I just showed you moments ago, you can go to the daily shorts and create kind of the new replica from this if you like one, right? But of course, the video quality. So if you go back here to daily shorts, the video quality is largely dependent on which of the modes you choose. So I generally would recommend for you to use either images plus videos, or the best option is obviously my scenes, which I'm going to be covering in the following videos here on the GenX YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you get latest tutorials, latest updates, and latest features, and you can see how you can use them to generate more leads and get better results for your business faster. So when it comes to the daily shorts, I would recommend my scenes all day long because that's the best way how to get the highest predictable quality for each and every single scene. Now, while we are onto this, I also want to show you the replica that was created. So we go back here. As you can see, we have the same visuals that I had before. So this one was actually the one I posted on the GenX Instagram page and TikTok page. And as you can see, all we did, we basically swapped the captions. So it uses the same visuals that I had before, but now with different captions. And you can literally have 20, 30, the same replicas created over time, where you literally reuse the same assets that you have. And this also applies actually, if we go back to daily shorts here, it also applies to kind of more videos when you create with my scenes, is when you can literally go to your library and you can select the scenes one by one. So you can search images, you can search videos, and you can select them one by one and then build your entire scene flow. But this is essentially how you can create high quality daily short form content for your business or for your influence page. So you can create shorts for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and get them posted every single day. And it takes just about 5 to 10 minutes to create one when you use free app, which is called GenX Pro. So that's it. In this video, you learned the daily shorts workflow. I also showed you how to use the use master flow to replicate the same video you have generated before, so you can repurpose your content in multiple different ways. And in the following videos, I'm also going to show you and cover my scenes, specifically how to get the highest quality outcome for your scripts and voiceovers. So that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the GenX channel, and most importantly, download the free GenX Pro app. We have the link in the description, so you can simply follow along when I'm showing you these steps, and you can start to get results with your business today. This is Pierre Gertie. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.